Before you click a suspicious link, check where it actually goes. First, hover your mouse over the link without clicking it. Your browser should display the real destination near the bottom of the window. In my case, it's at the bottom left. Notice that the words on the button do not have to match the website it opens. In my case, the button says Review Account Activity, and the text in the bottom left is completely different. For a closer look, right-click the link and select Copy Link Address or Copy Link. Then, paste it into Notepad or another text editor. Look at the domain, the part before the first single slash. Misspellings, extra words, unexpected subdomains, and unusual endings can all be warning signs. Next, open VirusTotal. Select the URL tab, paste or type the link that you have, and scan it by clicking Search. If several security providers flag it as phishing or malicious, do not visit it. In this case, all of these say clean, but remember, zero detections does not guarantee that a link is safe. New phishing sites may not have been identified yet. Use this as one tool in your toolkit, not the only one. When in doubt, close the message and visit the company website itself by typing in the link that you know. Before you click, inspect, scan, and verify.